Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you all. I miss our tiny little classroom. Honestly, I even miss teaching in the hub. I'd rather do anything but this. Um, I'm going to try and do my best to explain what's happening from this point forward. But if you have any questions, once again, please email me at abrubin@cbe.ab.ca. I know there are a few of you who have questions. I'm going to try and go over it a bit in this video and just clarify where we've been and what's expected going forward. Okay, so financial management. We have done one module. For the most part, you guys know if you passed or you failed that module. I cannot touch grades moving forward after March 13th at this point. I don't know if that'll change eventually, but right now it's so touchy that they don't want us touching our grade book, and you'll see this in other classes too. They don't want us touching our grade book until everything from headquarters is finalized. So if you are unhappy with your grade right now, it could potentially change. The good news is that it can't go down, it can only go up. It just might be where it's at right now for a bit longer. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'm going to try and deliver you guys 4 more modules, but that does mean that we have to get going at quite a bit of a faster pace. I'm getting a ton of emails every day. I'm sure you guys are as well. I'm going to only be allowed to assign you 3 hours of work per week. My content will be delivered to you on Tuesdays. I'm not scheduled a meeting time with you as core classes have you guys on Tuesdays. So I will release content on Tuesday, but it's up to you to squeeze that into your schedule. Look at the video I prepared and what needs to be done because your assignments will be due a week after they're given to you on a Tuesday. So for instance, I give you something today. A week from now, it should be due. And that goes to all of you, okay? So thank you to those of you who filled out this. It brought a lot of happiness to my day. Unfortunately, I have zero idea how to respond other than emailing you all individually, but just know that I did get them. I loved the memes some of you sent. I thought it was really funny. The shows you guys were suggesting, Carol Baskin for sure killed her husband, and we will justify him, okay? Okay, also, what you need to know is D2L is your new best friend, at least for me. I don't know about your other classes, I'm sure it is as well. You need to be going to content every day. Well, not every day, when you decide to work on my class. We are done Fin 10. We are working on Fin 10-15. This is what I want you guys to start off with this week. So, number one thing to do, go through Fin 10-15 course introduction. It's about 3 different pages. It's super fast. It's what we're going over this week. Okay, I would have delivered this content to you the same way in school. Financial management is largely at your own pace online. These are the suggested times. Okay, I'm allowed 3 hours of work per week. I think that we can get through training room 1 and training room 2 in this first week. I know it says 160 minutes per module, so per training room. So training room 1, training room 2 is what I want you to get through this first week. I'm not going to make you do all of the practices, so it shouldn't take you 1 hour and 60 minutes, and you should get through both of these quite quickly. Okay? So again, you can read over that if you would please to, and it just gives you a general overview of the module. Okay? So if you look over here, this is attached, or these 5 are attached to this module right here. The first one is the beginning balancing sheet. So this would be training room 1. Chart of accounts is training room 2. So I want you guys to get through training room 1 and training room 2 in this next week, okay? I know it looks like a lot of work when you start to go through them, but please do not do all the practices. Okay, so you have these fun little people that'll take you through it. What you need to know, why is it important, what do I need to do for me, okay? I want you to go through these first few, but where it changes, okay, so here is what I don't want you to do. You practice 1, you practice 2, you practice 3, practice 4. If you need to, go for it. If you need to go through all 4 of these, that's totally up to you. I suggest you go through 1 or 2 because you also will have to do that one from earlier. It's up to you and your understanding. Okay, so you have practice 1, practice 2. Maybe do 2 practices, okay? Here's practice 1. Here is where you're going to check your work, okay? You're not submitting these, but I do want you to do them. And in order to make sure that you're doing them, I might ask for them one day, okay? So please do 1 or 2 of the 4 practices, and it doesn't matter which one you do. You can do any of these 4, okay? And then you're going to do assignment 1, and then that will be it for this module, okay? Number 2, you're going to go to training room 2. Once again, funny little lady, you're going to walk through it. Okay, again, please take notes. What do you need to know? Why do you need to know it? What's important? Gurpreet is someone that you'll be working with for a whole bunch of these different training rooms. Practice 1, practice 2, practice 3. Do 1 of these, maybe 2. Totally up to you once again. Okay, you're going to continue on working on assignment number 1. It continues, okay? Oh, I forgot to mention this. You guys need to make a portfolio. I will go back to here. Nope, that's the wrong one. Bear with me. So here, this is really important, and I should have said this at the beginning. You'll need to create a course folder on your desktop called Fin 1015. This is where you're going to save all your assignments to, your practices to. I want to make sure that you guys are well equipped with organization tools. So yes, read through this thoroughly, create that folder on your desk, and put in practice assignments and final assignments, for instance, assignment 1, assignment 2, just so that you can go through stuff and I can eventually look at it. So something like this, okay? So once again, try and create a folder on your desktop. See, for instance, over here, I have photography. I also have one for you guys, don't worry, I just couldn't click on it fast enough. I will eventually open a assignment folder for you guys. I don't really want it to be in any of here. I might create a new section entirely called, I'm not going to call it COVID or anything, but probably it'll be working from home. It'll be Fin 1015. It'll be practice work, or it'll be assignment 1 or assignment 2. Once you guys get those done, please submit 1 practice to that practice folder and then your assignment to the designated assignment section. Okay, I will go over that again in more detail later on. If you have questions, please let me know. For this week though, seriously, just get through training room 1, training room 2. Do at least 1 practice from each of those sections. Start the assignments from the end of those sections, and then we'll go from there, okay? If you have any questions, abrubin@cbe.ab.ca. I miss you guys. Shoot me an email. Tell me you're doing okay. I miss Mitch yelling at me every day. All of you guys were so fun. I hope you're doing well, and I hope I get to see you guys really, really soon. Okay? Hope also you guys had a great Easter. Okay, that's it for today.